Isn't this dress lovely? It's my favorite, gifted by someone very dear to me. I'm sure we all have our favorite outfits, but the thought of watching them fade and roughening up worries everyone, right? But now, these concerns will be a thing of the past. Just as AI is transforming our lives, Samsung introduces an AI-powered solution for laundry care that is big, fast and intelligent. I am Mini Diwan and I'm excited to introduce you to a new era in laundry care from Samsung, the Bespoke AI Laundry. It's a common myth that only big families need large capacity washing machines. But the truth is, many of us overload our machines to avoid doing those extra loads. Overloading can lead to inadequate water and detergent distribution, resulting in poor spinning performance and compromised wash quality. With the large 12 kg capacity of the Samsung Bespoke AI Laundry, clothes get cleaned thoroughly without getting tangled. It handles jumbo loads in a single wash. So go ahead and add that curtain, bedsheet and towels without any hesitation to get thoroughly cleaned clothes. Life is full of unexpected moments. A surprise meeting at work or a last-minute invite to a movie night. But your favorite shirt is dirty. What do? Just turn on the Super Speed feature like this. This feature can wash the load in just 39 minutes without compromising performance. Perfect for those busy mornings or the last-minute plans. Now comes the most amazing part, the AI features that make laundry effortless. Let's explore. Imagine having the perfect wash every time. With advanced 5-step sensing, AI Wash takes away the guesswork by detecting the weight and the softness of the fabric, soil level and then adjusting the water and the detergent. It optimizes soaking, rinsing and spinning times for complete fabric care. Plus, it makes real-time adjustments during the cycle to ensure perfect results every time. No more thinking, just perfect, effortless washing. With the auto dispense feature, the detergent box can hold enough detergent for up to 1 month of washing. This means that you no longer have to worry about adding detergent for every wash. Just set it and forget it. Worried about the tough stains? AI EcoBubble creates powerful bubbles that penetrate the fabric and remove up to 24% more soil even at low temperatures. It detects fabric properties and adjusts the wash cycle to precisely protect your clothes. The Bespoke AI Laundry also ensures up to 45% better fabric care. Plus, with AI control, the machine learns and remembers your laundry habits, tailoring the wash cycle to your needs. Come, let's see this in action. By now, you might be thinking that these features might spike up your bill. Well, no. Its AI Energy Mode reduces energy use by up to 70%, letting you check power consumption and estimate your electricity bill easily. I'm already super impressed with its amazing features and I'm sure you are too. You know, with the SmartThings app, you can control your washing machine even from your couch. Isn't that amazing? Another smart feature is the SmartThings Clothing Care. It allows you to experience smarter and easier laundry care. With AI recommendations based on your usage patterns, seasons and more, you can keep your clothes looking the best. What else? You can also create customizable cycles for your most delicate or special garments. For peace of mind, HomeCare monitors the machine's performance, giving you proactive maintenance and troubleshooting tips right on your phone. Next on the card is another interesting feature, the less microfiber mode. So now, when you're washing synthetic fabrics or mixed laundry, using this feature can reduce the shedding of microfibers by up to 54%. Let me show you. It's a smart choice both for your clothes and the environment. And if you thought this machine was all about intelligence, well, it's beauty with brains. Check out this sleek, flat, front-load door bespoke design. It surely is a stylish addition to any home. And to top it all off, it comes with a 20-year warranty, ensuring you enjoy these incredible features for years to come. This beauty cares for our fabric just like we would, with the precision of AI. Ready to experience the future of laundry? Bring home this big, fast, intelligent Samsung Bespoke AI Laundry today for an AI laundry experience powered by innovation, efficiency and style. It's time to do less and live more. Happy AI washing!